Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, mud guards, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.